Hello everyone, in this video I will solve an integral example that is a little more difficult than last time. So let's start. So integral from 2 to 6 of 7x over 2 plus 2 ln x plus 4e power 2x dx. And to solve it, we need to use three main rules. The first one we used it last time. The second one is integral of ln x equal x ln x minus x plus c. And the third one is integral e power ax equal e power ax over a plus c. So if we use them in this example, it will be 7x squared over 2 times 2 plus 2x ln x minus x plus 4e power 2x over 2 from 2 to 6. Next step is to replace x by the boundaries and subtract them, so we have 7 times 6 squared over 4 plus 2 times 6 ln 6 minus 6 plus 4e power 2 times 6 over 2 minus 7 times 2 squared over 4 plus 2 times 2 ln 2 minus 2 plus 4e power 2 times 2 over 2. And in the final step, we calculate to get 51 plus 12 ln 6 plus 2e power 12 minus 3 minus 4 ln 2 minus 2e power 4. And the final result will be 48 plus 4 ln 108 plus 2e power 12 minus 2e power 4. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.